Kaseya VSA Honest Review, Exploring Remote Monitoring and Management Tools. Kaseya VSA is one of the biggest names in IT management, but is it really as powerful as it claims? I've used it for several months to manage endpoints and automate maintenance, and here is my honest review. Most people get this wrong. They think remote management tools are just about remote access. But Kaseya VSA goes way beyond that. It combines automation, patch management, security monitoring, and system reporting all in one unified dashboard. Once I set it up, I could remotely monitor every connected device, deploy updates, and fix issues without logging into each system manually. The automation engine is where it really shines. You can schedule maintenance tasks, push security patches, and even trigger alerts when something goes wrong, all hands-free. The performance monitoring is detailed, and the reporting tools make it easy to spot problems before they escalate. It also integrates with popular IT systems like BIMS and Glue, which streamlines operations for managed service providers. That said, the learning curve can be steep at first. The interface is powerful but complex, especially if you're new to RIM tools. However, once you get used to it, it becomes a real productivity booster. In conclusion, Kaseya VSA is a robust and scalable platform built for serious IT professionals. If you're managing multiple clients or large networks, it offers the automation and visibility you need to stay one step ahead.